Hello everyone. Imagine a sheet of paper so thin that it's only one atom thick. That's essentially graphene, a revolutionary material composed entirely of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb lattice. This seemingly simple structure belies its extraordinary properties, making it one of the most promising materials of the 21st century. Graphene boasts a remarkable combination of exceptional strength, unparalleled conductivity, and astonishing flexibility. It's stronger than steel, yet incredibly light, offering immense potential in aerospace, construction, and even bulletproof materials. Its remarkable conductivity allows electrons to flow through it with minimal resistance, making it a prime candidate for revolutionizing electronics. Imagine smartphones that charge in seconds and computers that operate at speeds we can only dream of today. Graphene could make these a reality. But graphene's wonders don't stop there. Its flexibility is unparalleled. It can be bent, folded, and stretched without breaking. This opens up a world of possibilities for flexible electronics, from foldable smartphones and wearable devices to even rollable displays that can be integrated into clothing. And despite its atomic thinness, graphene is nearly transparent, making it suitable for transparent electronics such as touchscreens, solar cells, and even invisible displays. The applications of graphene extend far beyond electronics. It can significantly enhance the performance of batteries and supercapacitors, leading to longer-lasting and faster charging devices, crucial for the advancement of electric vehicles and renewable energy technologies. In the medical field, graphene's biocompatibility and large surface area make it a promising material for drug delivery systems, enabling more targeted and effective treatments. However, the journey from scientific discovery to widespread application is often fraught with challenges. While graphene's potential is immense, large-scale, cost-effective production of high-quality graphene remains a significant hurdle. Furthermore, integrating this revolutionary material into existing technologies requires significant research and development efforts. Despite these challenges, the future of graphene is bright. Continued research and innovation are paving the way for overcoming these obstacles and unlocking the full potential of this remarkable material. From transforming the electronics we use to revolutionizing the way we generate and store energy, graphene has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.